Approach to ECG's syncope syndromes. BEWHAT B. Brugada. Coved ST elevation more than 2 mm in more than one of V1 to V3 with negative T wave. E. For electrolytes, high potassium will lead to bradycardia, peak T, wide QRS, no P wave, sine wave, and the great imitator. Low potassium will lead to ST depression, T inversion, U wave, and long P. High calcium, short Q, Osborn J, low calcium, long QT via long ST segment, high magnesium associated with high potassium and AV block, and low magnesium and long QT associated with low potassium. WBW, delta wave, and short PR interval. Sometimes both are associated together in one patient, that is hypertrophic cardiomyopathy and WBW, with dagger Q in lateral more than inferior leads, LV hypertrophy, left atrial enlargement, and giant T wave inversion in precordial leads in hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. Arrhythmogenic right ventricular dysplasia with epsilon wave, T wave inversion, QRS widening with prolonged S wave in V1 to V3. Trifascicular block with right bundle branch block, left anterior posterior fascicular block, and first degree heart block. Long QT more than 480, short QT less than 360 milliseconds. Pulmonary embolism with right bundle branch block S1 Q3 T3, tall R in V1, right atrial enlargement with RV strain and negative T in V1 to V4 with sinus tachycardia. Osborn J wave is seen in increased calcium, hypothermia, and medications along with subarachnoid hemorrhage. Left anterior fascicular block will show left axis and small q big R and small r big S in lead 2, small r big S in lead 2, and small q in lead 1, while left posterior fascicular block with right axis and small r big S in lead 1 or lateral lead and small q big R in lead 2 or inferior lead. And this is the syncope related ECG analysis.